Please don't destroy my plants, Mother Nature. I worked so hard on them. This is really heartbreaking to watch. This is really scary. I'm probably about to lose some plants. Oh, man. It's not that big, but it don't take hardly anything to take down a plant, man. But, I mean, they're all still standing. So I really hope it stops now. Please. I love my garden. Stop it, hail. Fingers are crossed, man. I think they're going to be okay, though. Hopefully, man. This is something absolutely any gardener does not want. Fucking hail, man. It's getting bigger. Ugh. Ooh, that one sounded really big. See, I wouldn't give a fuck if I didn't have a garden. Simple as that. If I didn't have a garden, I'd be enjoying this right now, man. But I'm really scared. I've worked really hard on these plants, but they're still all okay, and that's all that matters. As far as I know. I don't know about the new sprouts. Ooh. Ooh, that's a big one that just fell right in the crack right there. Alright, it's really starting to hail now. No! They're filling with hail! Dude, I'm absolutely heartbroken. Nope, I'm gonna lose some plants. Just stop. Alright, it's getting really hard for now. Still mainly rain-wise. The hail is starting to shrink again, but it's still multiplying. My plants are still standing. I bet they're shivering though.